Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to download and install Java 8 in your Windows 11. So open any web browser and just search here Java. Press enter. Now you will see this link, download Java for Windows. Then here click on download Java. We can see its latest version 8 and update 371. So just download. Now double click on this setup file. It will ask permissions, so click on yes. Click on install. Now you will see you have successfully installed Java. Exit and restart your system. So thanks for watching. Comment on this video useful for you or not.